How to make YouTube Shorts with Canva and ChatGPT. Hey there creators, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create eye-catching YouTube Shorts using Canva and ChatGPT. You'll learn how to leverage the design capabilities of Canva while using ChatGPT to generate engaging content ideas and scripts. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly discuss what YouTube Shorts are. Shorts are short, vertical videos that can be up to 60 seconds long. They're designed to be quick, engaging, and to capture the viewer's attention fast. So you can use shorts to promote your longer videos. For example, you make a long video and then you make a short video out of it to promote for it. You can share quick tips or even entertain your audience. Now, let's use ChatGPT to generate some content ideas. Simply open ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, give me 5 engaging topics for YouTube Shorts about this. For example, if you're in the cooking niche, you might say, give me 5 quick recipe ideas. ChatGPT will provide you with unique ideas that you can use for your shorts. Once you have your topics, you can ask ChatGPT to help you create a short script. Type in, write a 60-second script for a YouTube short about the chosen topic. ChatGPT will generate a concise and engaging script that fits perfectly within the 60-second limit. Now that you have your script, it's time to design your short in Canva. So go to Canva and search for YouTube Shorts in the templates section. You'll find various customizable templates that are perfectly sized for shorts. So choose one that fits your style and start editing. First thing you need to do is to customize text. So copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into the text boxes on your chosen template. Adjust the font size and style to make it visually appealing. Next, you can add visuals. You can incorporate images, icons, or videos that complement your script. You can use Canva's extensive library to find graphics, or you can upload your own. The third thing is to incorporate branding. So don't forget to add your logo or brand colors to keep your shorts consistent with your channel's identity. Next, let's enhance your short with music and effects. Canva allows you to add background music or sound effects. So navigate to the audio section and choose a track that suits the mood of your video. You can also add animations to text or elements to make your short more dynamic. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export your short. So click on the download button in the top right corner and select MP4 video as your format. Canva will process your video and you can download it directly to your device. Finally, head over to YouTube and upload your short. So make sure to include a catchy title, relevant hashtags, and an engaging description. Remember to include hashtag shorts in your title or description, preferably in the description box, so that YouTube can categorize it directly. And that's a wrap. You now know how to create engaging YouTube Shorts using Canva and ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.